Welcome everyone to the July edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and a lot going on, especially these last 3 months. Okay, we had a tariff war in April, sending the market down. We had a tremendous stock market rally in May, sending the stock market up. And then in June, we had a war in the Middle East, 12 days, sending oil prices all the way up, and now they're all the way back. So the point is, you can't really predict the market, what's going to happen. So you just have to be thinking long term at all times. So this month I have a lot of great things going on. I have a whiteboard, how to withhold taxes from railroad retirement. All right, so remember, you're paying taxes on your tier 1 and tier 2, and they require withholding. Otherwise, you're going to get hit with a big tax bill at the end of the year. Mailbag, can I start my railroad retirement at 60 without 30 years? All right, so that's at 60 and 30. Some people think that once you get to 60, I can start my railroad retirement. Not unless you have your 30 years of service. But watch that video, that will go through it. My economic chart is second best May for U.S. stocks since 1950. All right, that's just amazing. Since 1950, that's 75 years. Best May. So once again, that timing of the market, very, very difficult. And then the checklist, will I automatically be enrolled in Medicare? All right, so go through that flow chart. So it depends upon if you're collecting your railroad retirement or not and how you want to get enrolled in Medicare. All right, so railroaders, have a great 4th of July. And until next month, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.